Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, Man Mick here. In the UK, the Zontes 125 GK has been out for a little bit now. There is a software update for the bike, and this is a dealer instruction video on how to do it. I've slowed it down so you can read all the words, etc. But this is for a dealer to do, not for yourself. The dealer will have to have the OBD upgrade box, which you'll probably get from Clement Motor, the distributor in the UK. There are two upgrade boxes, so it depends really what version you have already installed on your bike. You can go into the diagnostic mode to find out yourself which version. And if your Zontes dealer says they haven't got an upgrade box, then they will have to ask Clement Motor, who are the UK distributors of Zontes, to the dealers, and they will have the box. So there's no issues there. So this is not a recall, it's just basically there is an upgrade for the GK125 in the UK if you can get hold of the box to do it. Thank you for watching. This is Man Mick. I'll sign off now and let you watch the video. Watch it once or twice so you can pause it where you require to, so you can see how it all goes. But this is a dealer video to show them in the UK. Thank you for watching. This is Man Mick signing off. Please like, subscribe. And there's plenty of videos in my playlist. Over 1,000 videos all on Zontes models of how to do maintenance on your motorbike. Thank you for watching. Till next time, I'll see you again. Bye bye.
We're one nation with an illusion of separation.